Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a OnePlus Ace 2B and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, so it does not respond to your touches, you cannot do anything, cannot tap on anything. Then the soft reset will help because your device will simply cut out all of the processes, turn off all of the apps, restart the system, and then it should work fine. So in order to do that, we have to press the power button, which is located on the right side, and the volume up button together and wait until we will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons simultaneously. Okay, as you can see, we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. So we will be able to do it kind of manually. Keep pressing. As you can see, we've got this black screen. I felt the vibration. Right now I can see the developer's logo, which simply means that our device is restarting itself, and after that it should work perfectly fine. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.